So I couldn't do the total picture you asked me because the area is too congested. So I'll try to do some video. All the mushrooms you see here will be ready tomorrow. Tomorrow, all these mushrooms will be ready. I think you've seen them all over the plastics. So we just thought of letting you know, so we can have a kind of a cordial. I don't know how to call it, but so that we can have Jeremy Pan, so we can have a kind of a market for it. Because beginning tomorrow now, we will need people that will be buying more than 10 kilo a day. Yeah, beginning tomorrow, we need people that will be buying more than 10 kilo of mushroom every day. Every day, not just one day, but every day. So it's tedious. It's something that we have to work on because we don't have the dryer right now. So we have to make sure that, we have people now buying on a daily basis. So I just thought of doing a little video that you will see, because taking picture, let me see what I can do. A picture. See them? Just tomorrow alone, we'll be needing somebody to buy more than 10 kilo tomorrow. And I talked with the guy from Nima Floor. I spoke with him. He's telling me he's not ready yet. He has spoken with his partners, so they told him to give them time so they can get prepared, and you can't force them. So while it's true that we're waiting for them, we also have to maintain qualities. That is to say, the mushroom can spoil. We have to look for people to buy them. Yeah. So by tomorrow, hopefully, we're gonna be having more than 10 kg. So we need people to buy them. You see, the guy is watering. Jesse is watering. He's one of the maintenance person here. So we need buyer now. We need buyer. So where we were this morning, where I just came from, is the fruiting room, and this is the dark room. Today we are going to be inaugurating more than 400 bags to be added here this morning. As you can see, we already have 600 plus in this dark room, because we didn't want the seeds to be packing and spoiling. So I think you can see, yesterday we inaugurated 200, and we already have 300 plus here. So we have over 600 bags that's supposed to be in here. This is the incubation room where all of the bags from the drums and that are being inoculated with seeds in it. This is where we packed them, going through their incubation period. So here we have more than 600 bags here, and we're going to be adding 400 to it this morning. So roughly about 1,000 fruiting bags will be in here waiting for the incubation. As a matter of fact, there are some that are already ramifiring. I think you can see these ones. They are already nearing. So next week or so, we'll be taking them from the dark room back to the fruiting room where I earlier show you. So it's getting tough. It's getting tougher. We just tired suffering, man. We want to get some money. That is why we're doing it fast. Seriously, they mustn't be people really bluff us. And we had to put tape here. The other plastic, we need to put tape on there. We need to put tape. So, Tonko, There's a problem with the hanging. If we continue to hang that, we'll encounter some problem. And see here, when you hook the stuff here, there'll be opening. So the next time we're doing it, hold it from here. Let the rope come way down here and hook it. Yeah, if possible, you just wrap it around for at least 1 or 2 times. So that's it. Yeah.